Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. This is Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making salted fish in the oven.
Make sure the fish is clean. Prep a few slices of lemon and some herbs. Create a base of salt in an oven tray. Place the fish on top of it. Fill the belly with the lemon and the herbs. Cover the top with the remaining salt. You should no longer be able to see the fish. Preheat the oven to 392 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 20 minutes. Break the crust of the salt and separate the fillets. Serve with lemon and virgin olive oil to bring out more flavor and aroma.
And here it is, our salted fish in the oven. Today we use sea bass, but you can easily use different fishes and enjoy many flavors. So good. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna enjoy this actually with a little bit of a squeeze of a lemon. See you next week.